Hello everyone, JMO here from NFlight Tech Support. Got a little trick for you. Hot tips. I'm sitting inside of a 1972 172 Super Hawk, and I have a NFlight Nomad connected to a Bose QC45 headset, and I'm just plugged into my general aviation audio ports in my left PIC seat here. Well, the trick or the tip is that when you want to capture your aviation audio, don't feel obligated to put it in line with your PIC left seat setup, right? You don't have to do that. You can run it to the back seat, right? Nobody's sitting back there most of the time anyway, right? So, or you could put it to the right seat, but if you have, maybe you're with an instructor or something like that, those backseat ports are sitting there empty all the time. So what I usually do is take my digital audio cable. What did I just call it? That was weird. What I usually do is take my digital audio cable, run it to my 3.5 GoPro mic adapter into my Hero 11 that I hang over my shoulder, wrap up the access cable around my GoPro, right? And then just run it to one of the backseat ports. And then I don't have any, that's just way less cable. I don't have any cable up here. It's cable management. And then also you're just removing a possible gremlin from your important communication line right here while you're flying PIC. Right? There you go. It's that easy. Thanks for supporting NFlight, and happy flying, my friends. Happy flying.